In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add pointers in Outlook. Whether you're crafting a detailed email or just need to organize your thoughts more clearly, being able to use bullet points effectively is a key skill. So let's get started on how you can achieve this quickly in just a few steps. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Outlook login page. If you're not already signed in, you'll see the familiar sign in button right in front of you. Give that a click. You'll then be prompted to enter your credentials. Make sure you have these at hand, as you'll need your email and password to access your account. Once you're in, it's pretty smooth sailing. After you've signed in, you'll land on the main Outlook dashboard. It's from here that we'll do the majority of our work today. What you need to do next is direct your attention to the navigation pane. You'll spot an option that says Mail. Click on it and it will guide you straight to your mailbox. Now that you're in the Mail section, take a glance over to the top left corner where you'll see the New Mail button. Clicking on this will open a fresh blank email ready for you to compose your message. This is where the magic happens, and we'll start creating our bullet points to add clarity and emphasis to our email content. With your new email draft open, look towards the formatting options at the top of your email window. Among these options, you'll find one labelled Bullets. It typically looks like a small group of dots or similar icons just waiting to be clicked. Clicking on this icon will activate the bullet point feature and you can start typing away, all nice and neatly listed. Now, a quick tip for you. If you need to add subpoints or further details under a particular bullet, simply hit the tab key. This will indent your text, creating a nested bullet point structure that's perfect for outlining ideas or action items that fall under a main category. Additionally, if you change your mind or need to adjust your bullets, simply highlight the text and click the bullets icon again to remove the bullet points. This flexibility ensures that you can adjust your email content until it's just right. And there you have it. A simple yet effective way to add pointers to your emails in Outlook. Remember, using bullet points not only keeps your message organized, but also makes it easier for the reader to digest information quickly. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.